morning, dear students. I hope you are fine and safe at home, and I pray for the same. I welcome you to your next lecture of English literature. And as in yesterday's lecture, we discussed about the beginning part of the story, a glass of milk. In today's lecture, we are going to continue chapter 3, that is a glass of milk. And in yesterday's lecture, we discussed about the beginning part of the story. Now we'll continue the last part of this story. Now we will recall the previous part as there was two characters, two heroes, one hero and one heroine, a boy and a girl. Two characters are there in this chapter. As in his childhood the boy was very poor, and he even one day he was hungry, and he went to his neighborhood and he demands for a glass of water. In place of a glass of water, the girl was so pity, the girl was so kind, she offered him a glass of milk. And this situation is showing that it means she is very kind girl. And when the same boy asked for a money in place of glass of milk which the girl has given her, but the girl refused to take the money because her mother had taught her that in when you are doing some when you are helping anyone, when you are giving something to eat, and when some your friends are when your friends are asking for something, no need to think in return from other side. That is your humanity, that is your kindness. The same is in this chapter. Now the next part, what happens in the next part? Many years later, after many years, what happens? As you are a child, after so many years you will be like us, an adult. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, then finally you will be an adult. So the same here, the same boy grew up and he became a doctor, and the girl also grew up. But what happens in the girl's life? What the change was in the both's life? The same boy was a doctor in a big hospital in a big town. And once, what happens? The girl was suffering from an uncommon disease, and she was living in a small town, and there was no doctor to take care for that uncommon disease. Common and uncommon disease. Common disease is viral, cough, cold. These are common diseases. Uncommon diseases, and there was no doctor to cure for that disease. So the doctor of small town referred to the girl to go to the big city in big town. And there was a big city and a big hospital, and the doctor, you will shocked by listen this, that the same boy, he grew up in a big doctor, and he was a professional of the uncommon disease. When the doctor heard about that the girl from the village, from the town where he was residing, where his house was, when he heard about the town where he was residing, a patient is from there, he got up the same time and went down the stairs and went to that room where that girl was, where that patient was, and he recognized the girl who offered him a glass of milk. And when he knows about that she was suffering from uncommon disease, he give his special attention, special care. What happens by special care? Dr. Kevin Bernard fought with that disease for a months. But what happens after a care? The girl was okay. The girl was cured, and the girl was very happy. But she was little upset how she will pay a big amount of a big hospital. But she saw the bill which was sent by the hospital, because the bill was sent by the hospital to firstly to the Dr. Bernard. But when but Dr. Bernard brought the message on that the same bill. The bill was cancelled. He wrote on the bill is cancelled, and he wrote a special message. And he wrote a message. Bill was paid years ago with a glass of milk. So, what is the moral? Tell me. This is when we do something, obviously, by the grace of God. If no one is giving you the in rewards, no, but by the grace of God, you will definitely find the justice. Definitely, if you will plant a tree of mango or a roses or a guava, you will definitely find the fruit. The same is in this story. When a girl did humanity for that boy, the same from the boy's side. A good, do good and have good. Definitely you will find the good from other side also. Now we will continue with the reading part. Now I hope it is very easy to understand about the story. Now within 10 minutes we will read the chapter and no difficulty will be with the exercise or answer this time. So with the reading part, and I hope you have opened your books. Chapter 3, start reading. So we will start reading. Chapter is a glass of milk. And do you think that we should help strangers? Tell me, do you think that we should help strangers? Unknown person or strangers, we should help others. Yes, we should help others. Would you share something of yours with a stranger if they needed it? So, read this story about a poor boy who repays the kindness done to him many years ago by a girl whom he did not show. Now you know the story very well. Now you are very much aware about a poor boy and that girl. So we will read the same in this story. And now we will improve our reading part also. So you will read after me also. There was once a poor boy who sold knickknacks from door to door to pay for his school fees. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is knickknacks? Knickknacks are small and decorative objects. And the boy was poor and he was selling these objects from door to door to pay for his school fees. One day he found that he had only a few pennies left. Few pennies means less money left. He was very hungry and did not even have the strength to walk a few steps. When we do not take our meal, what we feel? Weak feel. So the same is here. He was very hungry. He did not even have to energy to walk a few steps. Strength to walk a few steps. He decided that he would ask for food at the next house. He knocked on the door but lost his courage when a young girl came to the doorstep. He decided that he would ask for food for his neighborhood, from his neighborhood. But what happens when he saw that young girl came to the doorsteps? Instead of a meal, he asked a girl for a glass of water. In place of a meal, he asked the girl for a glass of water because he was shocked. A young girl was on the door, but the girl brought him a large glass of milk. You look very hungry. Please have the milk, she said. He was astonished, and astonished means surprised. He was surprised by her kindness, her humanity. He drank the milk slowly, enjoying the taste. How much do I owe you for this glass of milk? He asked after he had finished. Owe means what I can pay for this. Owe means to have a pay money to someone. When we pay money for someone for something. So how much do I owe you for this glass of milk? But you do not owe me anything, the girl replied. She replied. She means that girl replied, you do not owe me anything. Mother has taught us never to take money for kindness. When you show kindness, humanity to others, you do not be selfish. You don't think like that you will also find something in return of that, your kindness. Now, next page, we'll continue. Then I thank you from my heart, he said. The boy left with a full belly and a strong belief in the goodness of human beings. Many years later, the same young girl was suffering from an uncommon disease, which was difficult to treat. The same girl who helped that boy, the same girl was suffering from uncommon illness, which was difficult to treat. The local doctors did not know what to do. They sent her to a hospital in the big city. Dr. Kevin Bernard, a famous specialist, was going to examine her. Oh wow, there was the same boy who was very poor in his childhood. Now he is Dr. Kevin Bernard. He was going to examine her. When he heard the name of the town she was from, a light filled his eye with his eyes. A light filled his eyes. When we heard about our school, our common places, we also feel surprising. Our eyes are like this. Oh wow, a St. Thomas School, our Yamunanagar city. The same was feeling the Dr. Kevin, that the young girl is from the same place where he was residing. He got up and went down the hospital hall to her room. He entered and recognized her at once. She was the same girl who had given him a glass of milk all those years ago. She was too ill to remember him, but he was determined to do his best to save her. Determined means strongly decided to do something. So, Dr. Bernard wants to cure her carefully with full attention. Now, Dr. Bernard wants to cure the same girl, the same woman attentively. From that day, he gave special attention to the case. Dr. Bernard fought the disease for 1 month. At last, he was successful. The woman was completely cured, but she was not rich and was worried about paying the hospital bill. Now, after a good treatment, and how, by the grace of God, the girl is all right, the girl is healthy, and the woman was afraid to look at it the bill. She was worried about the bill, how she will pay the hospital bill. But when she saw it, her eyes filled with tears of happiness. The bill was cancelled. A note written by Dr. Bernard were the words. Dr. Bernard asked the hospital to send the bill to him. He looked at it, wrote a note, and sent to her room along with the bill. The woman was afraid to look at it. She was cured now that she would have to spend the rest of her life paying it off. She will pay the bill, the whole life she will pay the bill. Means amount was so much, amount was a very big amount was there. But when she saw it, her eyes filled with tear of happiness. The bill was cancelled on the note written by Dr. Bernard, and were the words, "Bill paid years ago with a glass of milk," which the glass of milk the girl was given him in his childhood. So, what we learn, do good and definitely have good. You will find good. So, the moral of this chapter is very nice. We should apply in our own life also. So, I think for today it is sufficient. So, I think now questions, answers are very easy to you. So, we will revise 4 questions also. Now, we will revise 4 questions also. As the question is, what did the girl give the boy to drink? You know, what did the girl give? A glass of milk. And as the question is, why did the boy used to sell the knick-knack? You know, to pay his school fees? Nothing to cram. It is very easy. It is on your tips now. Right? Am I right, students? Yes, I am. What was the girl suffering from? You know, the girl was suffering from an uncommon disease. What did the poor boy become when he grew up? You know, he became a doctor. So very easy. Okay, now you will not cram anything now in future. You just understand the story, right? And some more make sentences are here. First is hungry. And when you feel, when your stomach is empty, you feel hungry now. The same is here. You can write any sentence of your choice. I am feeling hungry. Mama, please give me food. My sister was hungry when she came back from market. And here the sentence is, I was hungry, then I ate 2 bananas. Clear? Decided. When you plan for to go to something, that is word is, when then we say decided. My father decided to take us to the market, to take us for a picnic. Anything you planned, we can write. Next word is worried. Oh, when you are tense about a situation, we use the word worried, and we can write any sentence as I am worried for that. We can write my friend is suffering from covid-19 and I am very much worried. I am worried for my friend's health. You can write any sentence. Here the sentence is, my mother was very worried because I reached home late from school. And next word is slowly. My grandfather walks slowly. You can use any other word. My grandfather and my grandmother. My father walks slowly. My younger brother walks slowly. You can write. And the bus was moving slowly. The scooter was moving slowly. You can write according to your choice. So I hope for today it is sufficient and you enjoyed the lecture. I'll meet you in your next lecture. Till then, bye.